Thin from Within is a weight loss system designed around the needs of women. It is completely natural, so it even works for those with the most sensitive of bodies. The key to the success of Thin from Within is that it approaches weight loss for women in different phases. Instead of using one blanket method for weight loss, the program uses multiple phases that are completely unique to the program. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Each phase in the Thin from Within program is designed to change the body in different ways. Every phase has a specific purpose, and by combining these purposes, the program is able to provide women with what they need to successfully lose weight. Thin from Within is a simple, but effective, nutritional system that uses steps building on top of each other to help women reach their goals. All the information for the Thin from Within program is downloadable, so users can access it immediately after purchase. And, because Thin from Within comes with its own custom app, participants in the program will have constant access to the program, no matter where they are. As mentioned above, Thin from Within has unique phases that build on top of each other to provide women with the support they need to successfully lose weight. Each phase has a specific goal that will benefit the female body, helping it rebalance in a way that will help it naturally begin to burn fat. More and more medical professionals and scientists are becoming interested in the connection between microflora and how it can aid in weight loss. Most experts agree that there is a powerful link between healthy digestion systems and metabolisms that are able to burn fat in a fast and efficient manner. The body is in a constant balance of bacteria. Every single body has both good bacteria and bad bacteria. The key to keep the digestive system healthy is to have these bacteria balanced. When they become imbalanced, the entire body starts working wrong. Not only does an imbalance of microflora cause people to feel tired and stressed, it has also been tied to slow metabolisms, weight gain, and an inability to lose weight. The first phase in the Thin from Within program involves rebalancing the microflora in the female body. By getting the GI tract back to the balance it needs to work properly, participants are able to enjoy improved energy levels, more vitality, and a metabolism that can burn fat more efficiently. In the microflora rebalancing phase, participants will be shown what foods they need to avoid to reach the balance in their digestive system that will allow their metabolism to reboot itself. Not only will they be told what foods to avoid, they will also be given a list of foods to increase, ones that help good microflora thrive. Click the link in the description below this video for details.